My name's Skinner, and this is Skinner's Dose, where I document my daily dose of adrenaline and help you get ideas of different adventures that you can take with me to get your adrenaline pumping too. I love America, and I'm blessed every day to wake up and ask myself, what am I going to do today to get my adrenaline pumping? Thanks so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What's up, guys? Today we're just going to do a quick little thing on the 2017 Platinum we just picked up as the new tow pig for Jeep. Peep the Jeep, don't mind the mess, it's disgusting in here. I know, I need to fix it. Anyway, on these, it's got the leveling kit, but the previous owner never did the sway bar drop bracket. So I got some, I finally found some on Amazon. I looked around, tried to shop local, no one had them in stock, about a 6-week back order. Found some on Amazon in stock, so I decided to snag them. Show you guys what they look like. This is the Kryptonite sway bar drop bracket. As you'll see, it drops it 2 inches to make up for the 2-inch leveling kit. And then it actually shifts it forward an inch because when you lift it with the leveling kit, you lift the truck the way that the geometry is designed. When you do that and you don't drop the bracket, it actually moves the sway bar in the wrong location about an inch. And then obviously you need to make up for that gap. So it's a 2-inch leveling kit, got a 2-inch block, and then we're gonna move it forward to make up the difference another inch. So that's what we're doing today. And we'll just show you guys kind of what it looks like and what you gotta do here. So super easy. All you got to do is take out this bolt, and there's one on the other side, and you do the same thing over there, and then you're going to put that block right in that gap, and it'll bring this down, and then you'll just put these back on in the block and then tighten the new screws to mount this to the block. So super easy. All you need is a 15mm deep socket. Don't mind this, I have not washed it, but all you need is 15mm socket, impact, you're good to go. Come over here and do these. Hope it doesn't drop on my head. That one, and then use 2 hands to finish it off so that that doesn't drop. And I like to take these out first so they're not in the way because they're easier to take out here. So I'm going to take those out real quick. Do the same for the other one. It's going to go up just like this longer piece, factory mount to the back, and then this will move it forward. All right, and there you have it. Like I said, make sure you've got them facing so that that new bolt right there is forward to the truck, and then the factory one right there is towards the back. I accidentally did that one backwards, so when I was trying to put this up, I was like, what the crap? But it's shifting everything forward. Then you just factory ones, the new ones right there, and then same thing over there. And this will help move everything so that everything's back in the stock location and the geometry is corrected. So thanks for watching. If it helped, subscribe, like the video. Future things coming for both this, the Jeep, the bike, everything. So like and subscribe, and that's it. Super easy this time. See you later.